my lovely viewers, assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show latest collection. This video I am going to show lightweight gold earring for daily wear with weight and price. So first design is very attractive and very cute. This design only 3 Anna and this price is 22,000 plus. Very attractive this design, very cute this design. Next design is more beautiful, only 3 Anna 2 rati. Wow, so cute this design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Very adorable this design. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design, only 3 Anna. Wow, price 22,000 plus, 916 22 carat. Very adorable fancy this design. Next design jhumka earring. Wow, so cute jhumka, new collection, unique collection. If you want, please screenshot this design. If you want gift purpose for any person and any lovers. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design, new collection, only 2 Anna and this price is only 15,000 plus. Next design is very attractive, very gorgeous, very simple but very gorgeous this design, on very elegant this design. Next design is more beautiful. If you want, please, if you gift purpose for your if you want, you gift for your mother and any person, very attractive this design, very cute this design, very adorable this design. Next design is very new collection, only 3 Anna and this price is only 22,000 plus. Very attractive this design. Next design is earring, ring earring. Wow, so lighting this design, only 2 Anna and this price same 22 carat hallmark latest gold earring design. Wow, so cute this design, very attractive 22 carat hallmark bracelet design, 3 Anna. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design, only 4 Anna and this price is 30,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection. If you want, please screenshot this design and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Just look this design. Next design is very elegant, very fantastic this design, only 4 Anna and this price is only 30,000 plus. Very attractive, very new, very adorable this design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Next design is very cute, very gorgeous, very fantastic this design, only 3 Anna. Wow, so cute this design, 916 22 carat hallmark earring. Okay, now bye. Next time I will back to unique collection. So thanks for watching.